Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another behind the scenes of a shoot that I did using only natural light. Let's get started. Here are some of the photos that inspired today's shoot. The model that I'm shooting with today is Cara. We started shooting 2 hours before sunset. I like to shoot an hour prior to golden hour because the greenery is still vibrant and the sun is still high enough to produce a spotlight effect on your subject instead of being parallel to your lens. Cara has not modeled often, so I find that the best way to keep posing natural for a model like this is to interact with their surroundings. Usually the hardest thing for a model is not knowing what to do with their hands. So in one hand, I had my model hold a basket filled with flowers, and for the other hand, I had my model grab some of the leaves on the branches and pull some of them down toward her. I wanted these photos to appear more candid, so for most of these photos, my model is turned away from the camera and she's mostly in profile. We moved to another location. I had my model stand in the tall grass with a book. The greenery behind her was almost yellow because of how high the sun still was. I've shot in this spot before in my previous photo shoots, and it's amazing how different a spot can look just because the lighting is different. For the next spot, I had my model sit against a tree. She was getting a lot of harsh highlights on her face, so I had to position her where she wasn't getting a lot of dappled lighting across her face. My model then changed outfits to a white dress that I had thrifted. This time, I gave my model a white rose to interact with. For the next spot, I had my model sit on this bench with the sun behind her. I had scouted this spot previously, and I knew that when the sun was in the right position, it shines directly onto the bench, which creates beautiful lens flares. However, the sun wasn't low enough yet and the lighting was really flat. We went up the path a little bit to find a different spot. I saw this area on the ground where the branches were creating an arch, and I placed my model right beneath them. I then had my model stand against these trees. I told my model to pretend like she was looking for someone or that she was waiting to be found. Giving your model motivations and actions like this can help make the posing look more natural. The sun was a lot lower now, so we returned back to the bench. The lighting was now perfect, and the sun was pouring onto the bench, which was also creating the lens flares that I had wanted. That's all I have for you today. Thank you to everyone involved in this shoot. If you liked this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more future behind the scenes. Everyone out there, stay safe and healthy. My name is Raphael, and I'll see you next time. Bye.